Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a cancelled flight with Delta, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover a cancelled flight with Delta, begin by checking your email for any notifications from Delta. If you book directly through Delta, visit their official website or app. Locate the My Trips section on the homepage. Enter your confirmation number, last name, and the departure date to access your booking. Review the details of your cancelled flight. If a new flight option appears, select one that suits your schedule. If available, confirm your selection and follow the prompts to complete the rebooking process. If you don't see a suitable option online, consider calling Delta's customer service. Have your confirmation number and personal details ready for quick reference. Be prepared for potential wait times when calling. Explain your situation to the representative. They can provide options for alternate flights or help you with rebooking. If you're unable to reach Delta by phone, visit your nearest Delta service desk at the airport. Bring any relevant documentation to assist with the rebooking process. In case your flight was cancelled due to weather, be aware of their policy on compensation. Keep an eye on Delta's social media channels for real-time updates and assistance. Finally, once your flight is rebooked, ensure you receive a new confirmation email. Double-check the details, including the new flight time and gate information. Stay informed of any further changes before your travel date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.